What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today, I just figured out how to screen record. So yeah, I'm gonna do a Roblox video, and now I can go up to 15 minutes only. Now, but hey, at least it's better than 10 minutes. But anyways, I'm just gonna. I don't know what I should play. I just figured out how to screen record. I already know. So I'm gonna play. I think I'm gonna play I don't know. Oh, and I want to say one more thing. Check out my game. It is called Live in a City. Yeah, you gotta click on my profile for that. I realize it's just go to my file. And yeah, it's called. Well, I don't really play seriously. It's just but it's called Live in a City. Got an update to that, and I'm gonna make the next video. It's just I wanted to say I managed to figure out how to screen record, and there's also this, and also check out my game called Live in a City. Anyways, that's it for this video. See you in the next video. Bye.